Hi, Everysoul. It's Lee. Today it was a very windy day. I was planning to do this video outside, but let's do today inside. Yeah, we had power, going on and off. Yeah, and I hope to have time enough, for this video. I'd like to invite you for befriending your video camera. This is an online live workshop. Yeah, I give a subject every module, and it's in a Zoom call that is recorded, and then yeah, we do an exercise, yeah, as if each of you were recording a video. Depending on the number, maybe not everyone, but I'll make sure that everybody, yeah, has the chance, yeah, to do the exercise. And there is also a Facebook group where people can post their videos that they do as the assignments that I give every week. And what I saw, yeah, during the first workshop is how being in the group, having the community, having the comments, yeah, how people grew in a short time, yeah. I'll post also the testimonial so that you can, yeah, hear firsthand, yeah, what the participants thought about this workshop. All the details are in the description box, but if you have any questions or concerns, yeah, please contact me by email. So, thank you for watching. I hope to see you in the workshop. Be your own best friend. Never abandon yourself. Bye.